All right, so this is the Tojiro sink bridge. And this stainless steel construction is completely flexible from 12 to 23 inches. Okay, be careful, you can actually remove it from the end. So something that you should be aware of. And let me take a moment to get it back in there. Okay, so it has these adjustable tension screws. They lock down, so whatever size you need it to be, it is there. This adjustable tension locking system is to accommodate different stones up to 10 inches in length. Okay, you'll notice that the bottom has rubber feet, and you'll notice that when I put it down, it doesn't move. So if you're using it on the counter, it's a great thing. You can see that it's extra wide. That comes in handy when you're doing the Suehiro Debato stones. You can see that you can adjust this to something as big as this. It's extra wide, so even all of these heavy duty stones can fit. You know them, you love them. Very famous stones, beautiful. So if for some reason you had a natural stone that was small in stature, you will notice that it does not fit something this size. Then you might need to jump up to either using, whether it's an inexpensive or more expensive stone holder. You could actually use this, and then you could adjust this to accommodate the stone. Or if you want to spend a little bit less money than the $35 for the Naniwa and the $15 for the knockoff, these Suehiro ones are also sold on the same website. Everything here is from Chef Knives to Go. And so these Suehiro ones are adjustable. And once you put the stone in, you can then lock this up, get your tension right, and you have perfect for the stone. So maybe not ideal for that. This works in every single sink. It works in all the different ponds that I've used it in. It doesn't move on the counter. It's amazing. At $120, I priced it. I numbered it #1 over the Kasfly simply because you save $50. It fits every single thing. It is made of stainless, so it will last a long time. It is not quite as heavy or heavy duty per se as the Kasfly. It is pretty sturdy construction. I think I can definitely tell you this is not a flimsy device. I named it #1. I hate to say it, like Tojiro in general does not jump out at me as like my #1 company. So I point out my biases and tell you it's still the best. For $120, it does every single thing. And so yes, this is awesome. If you get one, congratulations and enjoy.